Hey guys, you have to see this. So let me click on my email. So this is the email I actually got recently. As you can see, this payment was actually sent today, which is 10:24, and it's 14 minutes ago. If you check my date, exact date, so this is 10/6/2023. So, and this payment was actually deposited to my PayPal account by Impact Traders. So as you can see, Impact Traders just sent you $112 USD. So the note of description says Impact Traders parts and the ID deposited ID. So this payment was actually sent today, which is 6 October 2023. Like in these channels, I'll be doing consequent video about how you can make money online, how you can start your YouTube channel and grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers and get monetized on YouTube, how you can actually make sure you make money online using AI. So all you have to do now to actually get all these videos that I'll be posting very soon is to actually to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And for the purpose of those, I would say probably it's a screenshot or it's a dub image. I will have to refresh my screen to show you that these things are much live. They are live money and not form of a screenshot. So I can see the money are seen that. So now what you have to do is to subscribe right now. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I have any update I want to share, you'll be the first one to watch the video and be able to learn and be able to make money online. So I will see you in my consequent video.